Adding YouTube videos to your Upwork profile is one of the most powerful things you can do when it comes to actually increasing how many clients you're going to get on the platform. My name's Gavin. I run an email and SMS marketing agency, and I make these videos really to document my own journey and provide tips and tricks for people who are in a similar position to me or in a similar position to where I was. So I'm going to break down really two things in this video. Number one, I'm going to break down the importance of having a YouTube channel and using that YouTube channel on your Upwork profile. And number two, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get into the first point before I actually start sharing my screen and showing you how to do all these things. So watch the whole video if you want to learn how to do this. But for the why, I want to explain this here. There is something about being behind a camera like this and speaking about what you do in a way that allows you to present yourself intelligently, eloquently, and by doing those two things helps build a relationship with the person viewing the content and the person recording the content. You are able to build authority so much more off the back of having video content on your Upwork profile than anything else out there, right? I make these videos, if I'm being fully transparent, yes, to document my own journey, but also to build up my own authority. And there is, I think, only one other thing that really beats being behind a camera in terms of building authority, and that is probably writing a book, all right? But we're not going to be talking about writing a book today. If you are able to record a video explaining your process, okay, and showing previous client results, and then putting that on your Upwork profile, you are going to have such a better time at getting on calls with people who already have a good feel for who you are if you've conveyed yourself properly and are far more likely to close. I cannot tell you how many people I've gotten on calls with and they've said like, hey, I watched your YouTube video, I'm ready to start. Having YouTube as a basically portfolio piece on your Upwork profile is going to be one of the biggest things that helps you beat out the rest of the competition, okay? Highly, highly, highly recommend doing this. It's one of the biggest needle movers for my agency. Now, really quickly, I'm recording this content on my phone. That's all you need. Yes, I have a lapel mic, but if you're gonna be recording content on YouTube, the most important thing to have is good audio. Most of my videos, which you'll see in a second, are literally me recording with Loom, okay? You don't need very flashy graphics or anything like that. So I record with Loom, and then I actually just go ahead and explain the process of how I deliver work or I explain client results, okay? That's all you need. Good camera, Loom subscription. You don't even need to pay for Loom, all right? And a decent mic. So let's get into how we can actually upload YouTube videos and all the things that you need to consider when it comes to building those into your profile, since we've already covered the why. Let's get into it. Okay, so we're actually gonna break this how-to down on YouTube as opposed to Upwork. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go onto your channel. Now, if you don't already have a channel, I recommend creating one. And I'm just gonna highlight the key elements that you need to have a successful, really stab at creating good videos that can dovetail into Upwork. Now, first things first, when you go onto Upwork, right? You go here, and you link a YouTube video, it's not going to necessarily show your channel, but it will give the person who's watching your content an opportunity to go onto your channel via the video. So if I go here, right, and I go my profile, let me quickly show you this, you'll see here that I have YouTube videos linked on my Upwork profile. Can I just say, Upwork is going to be one of the slowest goddamn platforms I've ever tried working on. It infuriates me sometimes. All right, so I'm done. So here we go. Here's a video. They can watch it on YouTube. See, here's the video. So they'll play it within here unless you want to watch it on YouTube, in which case they will go to your channel. So the first thing you need to consider when you're creating a YouTube channel here is you want to have a good profile picture. You can use, let me just shut myself up there. There we go. Make sure you have a good profile picture. It can be the exact same profile picture that you're using on Upwork. It can be. Then have a good description of what you do. Link your website and anything else, all right? And you want to have at least 3 videos. Now I've got hundreds on here, right? 260 videos, but all you want is to have 3 videos and 1 pinned one. The reason we go for 3 videos is because 3 videos, if somebody goes from Upwork onto your YouTube channel, is enough to look like a full profile, okay? Now those 3 videos, okay, are going to have, ideally, decent thumbnails, okay? And then a decent pinned video. Okay, so if we go into your studio here, after having created your account and after uploading the video, you don't have to upload these videos. If these videos are just for the purpose of Upwork, unless you have an actual YouTube channel that you're trying to aggressively grow, which I recommend you try to do, if you're not doing that, upload all 3 videos simultaneously and just set them to public, right? But if you go onto the videos here, right, and then you go into the actual video, you're gonna wanna set one as a pinned video, which means the video that shows up at that top bar of the YouTube channel. So what you're gonna do after having published those 3 videos is you're actually not gonna go into the video, but you're gonna go customization, okay? Go down here, channel URL, okay? And then you're gonna go onto home tab, okay? And then you're gonna add a channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed, and you're just gonna select the video that you want to show up. So this video here, if I go onto my channel now, and I click this, and I click change or whatever, you'll add one. It's this video right here. And this is the main video you want featured. So once you have 3 videos, select one of them that you think is most relevant to the work that you do. And I've shown you how to create other videos, or rather I've shown you how to use the videos, or what videos you want to record to fill out your profile. So check out my channel for that, or join the school community I've talked about. There should have already been an ad that popped up. Join that school community. There should be a link in the description of my videos, which you'll see really if you click any of these old videos here. There's a link, just join that right there. Join that school community, and I'll teach you how to do all this stuff in a lot more depth. But you do that, and then you go into your profile, and the reason you want to have good thumbnails is because those thumbnails will get pulled right here. Okay, I'm moving this one to giraffes, by the way. Those thumbnails will get pulled into your portfolio. And so make sure that the thumbnails are good enough to be featured on your portfolio piece, because when somebody clicks it, that's the thumbnail that shows up. That's all you need to do. Have 3 videos. 3 is enough to have a fulfilled, or rather full enough looking profile on YouTube to help you get clients. Now, if you really want to go aggressive, I highly recommend everyone really go aggressive with YouTube, because it's just so important nowadays. But if you don't have time, just record 3 videos, ideally 10 minutes in length, good thumbnails, and then a pinned post up there, and then link those videos directly on your Upwork profile. Thanks for watching.